In today's holiday video, I will be showing you how to make these beautiful wire orbs, which are perfect for the holidays. I am using a balloon as a guide to mold the wires around. Depending on how big or small you want your orb to be, you can blow up your balloon to size. Start by wrapping the wire around the balloon. I am using 26 gauge paddle wires that are as thin as thread. These wires are usually used for making fake flower arrangements. The thinner the wire, the more wire you will need to make the ball look full. Here I am recommending 50 feet for a ball my size. Again, the higher the gauge, the thinner the strand, and the more wire is required to make it look full. I prefer thinner wire over the thicker ones. Since the wires are so thin, it is easy to bend. So if you are a perfectionist, then this may be upsetting, but these balls don't need to be perfect in shape or size. I'm done with making this ball, so I untie the balloon to deflate it so I can reuse the balloon later. You may just want to pop the balloon to release the air faster. I try to gather all the wires at the tip. I take the end of the wire and wrap it around where all the wires overlap. I do the same at the bottom if I can find where the wire begins. Tying one end is enough if you cannot locate where the wire begins at the other end. Once the ends of the wire are secure, I adjust and space the wires to make a round circle. To make the wires less bendable, you can apply a spritz of glue or hairspray once the ball is complete to stiffen the wire so it doesn't bend as easily. Using the palm of my hand, I squeeze the wire gently to round it out. These look great on light strands or as Christmas tree ornaments. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!